your tourists getting into?
Akiria higo ya kuhingura kigomano kia nyitite miro hogene ro ugendi mwena wa Naikuru, Minister wa ugendi Najib Balala ni ugite no nginyage mitaratara ya biko kurora uria ruhonge ro ugendi rukugacirithio ari njira imwe ya kuongerera namba ya agendi aria maceraga guku bururi-ini oro mwaka.
We must fix the product. That's the beach and the safari. And today we are specifically talking about the safari. And then we must improve, make it better. And then we must diversify for a better experience of the client.
Balala akiuga hari bata anyititemi othe ruhonge-ini ruru manyitanire nigetha mahote gukinyaniria muoroto ucio.
We need to assist them to make these assets work. Because without us assisting them, they will not have a clue what to do with these products. They'll keep blaming us that we are not marketing and promoting their areas, but meanwhile, we know those products are not yet ready to be marketed, but we are playing no role to help them to develop those products.
Ihindi-ini oro riu niongereire kuga ni megukorwo magithomithia matereba a ukui wa taxi nigetha makahotaga kuheana motungata magiriru hindi ria marakuwa agendi.
That driver must be trained. I can tell you, you jump in any cab in Kenya, when you jump into a cab and say, sasa vipi mambo ya Kenya? Hapana, watu wanaiba tu.
Miario iria inyitirwo mbaru ni gavana wa Naikuru Kenya Njui.
I think we need to invest in the law people here who interact every day, because that is where they get the information.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV kuma kaunti ya Naikuru, ritwa rĩakwa nĩ Wang'ombe wa Maina.